Yeah, what do you think, guys? Someone said, I don't know what I'm doing, get a professional in. I'll have you know, I've been doing this all my life. I did it as a profession. So, as per usual, he's got no videos up so I can go and check his work. Always the same. Keyboard warriors, what do we say? Keyboard warriors, guys. Yeah, it's looking nice anyway. Get in there. Happy days. Right guys, this is our third day on the summer house. That end panel there has actually been finished, so that's had 4 coats, 2 coats of undercoat, 2 coats of finish. That one's had 2 coats of undercoat, 1 coat of finish, 1 coat of finish. This has just had 2 coats of undercoat, and we're literally just doing now, finishing this off, guys. So that means that everything's been undercoated. It's all been rubbed down and repaired, but I'm not sure if you can pick it up how nice it looks. I think we've got away with it. Looks nice. I'm happy with that. That's one of the hottest days, so we'll have to see how we get on. Right, my son's nearly finished over there. That's not got its last undercoat there. What I'm going to do now is rub this down, this area here, because it's been undercoated, and we're going to be putting on the final colour, which is going to need 2 coats. So here we go, guys. I'm going to put it on hyperdrive. This is the first time I've used this, so we're going to see how we get on. Right guys, here we go. I'm about to give it its last coat here. It's had 2 coats of undercoat. It's had 1 of these, and it says for best results, I would have given it 2 anyway. And this paint here, I'd highly recommend it. It's a weather sealed U.Do.U trade. It says it's tough and durable protection, coverage up to 20 metres per litre, 6-year weather protection, and it's got like a fungicide and it keeps the paint clean. But it's £60 a tin, guys. It's not cheap for a 2.5 litre. So yeah, but I think if you pay the money, like you get a bit more quality, don't you? Like I say, I've rubbed it all down and we're ready to go now for its final coat. So this section will be done. I've got one little section over there to the light, and then this whole front's done. And then what I've got to do, I've got to jump back on this green, and I've got to pick out every little bit and cut it all in just to make it pop, which is going to take forever, but I'll get it done, guys. I've been at it for about 2.5 days now. It's just been so hot, and I doubt if I'll get it finished today, but we shall see. I'm just going to plod along and see how I'll get on, guys. So yeah. There you have it, guys, all cut in. Now I'm going to have to touch up a little tiny little bits. I've literally just things like this because it'll wind me up there, that little bit there. I'll touch that up. Got one at the top there. Basically, though, pretty good. Ties it all in. All done. I've just got this bit to do now. Just got to give this 2 coats, obviously rub it down in between the coats. Then we've got to put the soffits, the fascias and the barge boards on the front. Got to paint the sides as well. Got like a metal on the side there, and it's got feather edge on the other side, so, and we're going to be painting that as well, like that fence. It's a metal fence, so just going to bitumen it. That's what we did with it anyway, and it's been like that for 2 years. It's held up, it's been alright. Yeah, what do you think, guys? Someone said, I don't know what I'm doing, get a professional in. I'll have you know, I've been doing this all my life. I did it as a profession. So, as per usual, he's got no videos up, so I can go and check his work. Always the same. Keyboard warriors, what do we say? Keyboard warriors, guys. Yeah, it's looking nice anyway. Get in there. Happy days.